Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today on this video I am going to show how to save draft videos. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your TikTok profile. Here you will get an option draft, you have to click on it. Now here you can see that I have 2 videos in draft. You have to click on any one video. Now here you have to click on this arrow. When you click on it, you will see a save button here, you have to click on it. As you click on save, your video will be saved in your mobile gallery. In this way you can save the draft video in your mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.